In our last video, we visited one of Thailand's most iconic and vibrant sites, the legendary floating market, where we experienced a colorful chaos packed with hundreds of vendors selling everything imaginable. We also made a visit to a local Buddhist temple before ending our long-tail boat excursion at the Chang Puak Elephant Park. And we still had to head on over to another iconic spot before this day was over, Bangkok's train market. So, if it's elephants and trains you're waiting to see, stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. After we were finished at the floating market, and only buying some snacks, coffee, and a souvenir hat for the missus, it was time to navigate ourselves out of an ever-increasing crowded market. It took some time to clear all this traffic before our long-tail boat driver could open it up in the outlying canals on a heading to the Chang Puak Elephant Camp. We were dropped off at the elephant park and climbed in a golf cart with our chauffeur. The cost of entry was already included in our tour package, but there seemed to be a lot of add-on adventures here, for an additional price, of course. Off to see the elephants. What about my golf clubs? If you are enjoying our Thailand adventure, make sure to hit that like button and leave us a comment. We appreciate every interaction with our channel more than you'll ever know. Here we are. The camp offers elephant and other animal interactions like shows, elephant rides, and the ability to take photos with baby animals. The camp provides various activities including elephant talent shows, ATV riding, and a tiger exhibit, which we did not partake in. While we don't necessarily approve of the exploitation of animals for profit, it was included in our boat tour. At least we could get up close and personal with these magnificent creatures and donate some bananas for a hungry cause. Terry's hungry. It's about a whole bunch of bananas. Right here? Oh. I show them my banana and they come to me. I got you. Big one. Give me your phone. Whole thing.
Whole thing?
Whole thing, mana? Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Go up close. Get closer, hon. Get closer. Get more. Let me do one. Ooh. Touch him. Although some online reviews mention potential issues with staff attitude, unclear pricing, and concerns about animal welfare, we can attest that we clearly felt that all they wanted was our money, and the staff attitude sort of reflected just that. You buy the fruit, feed the elephant, take your picture for an additional fee, only to be ushered out faster than a stampeding elephant, if I can use that metaphor. All Terry wanted to do is get up close and feed an elephant some bananas, and for an additional fee, she turned her up-close and more personal experience into a reality.
I'll go inside. What ticket, huh?
She gave me. Con thầy đưa hết.
Buồn xuống.
What đó?
One more shot.
One more shot.
You have.
You have elephant banana. Nơi ta bao rồi mày mới.
Hot.
He's hugging you.
Xuống. Hỏi.
ขอบคุณครับ
Đi khắp tiếng. Khắp. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Finish ธรรมดา Thank you ค่ะ
Đây có bút. Bánh bút.
Smile.
Not smile no bite
100 baht but photo.
Oh, that's okay. Can I touch? Or can I touch?
take pictures
Need not take.
No, they
You can
charge
buy
you for.
ticket and take
and
photo.
take pictures
Oh, can I touch? No.
No
No?
you cannot hunt you have to charge you for
Oh.
no she said can take photo huh
When Terry was finished with her little elephant adventure, we were ready to head back to our awaiting boat to take us back to our tour driver, who would then take us back to the city, but not before a stopover at Bangkok's famous train market. We're at the famous train market just outside of Bangkok, and it's loaded with vendors. And I'm sure there's some good food here. Go that way? Okay. Taxi driver says go straight ahead. That's our driver. Huh?
yeah
What time? What time? Soon? What time did the train come? What time? It's coming now?
You're looking. You are.
Oh.
You go now.
Oh, okay. Train's coming. Don't want to miss the train, I guess. That's why
Where's
we're
the
here.
train coming
That's why we're
from?
here. Oh, this way, hon. Our guide says follow him. Oh, over there.
Maeklong name. Sini Maeklong.
That way. And then go that way. Just straight, huh? Okay. Okay. Train market is that bamboo wood? Is it? Get more elephant bags, huh? Oh, we got, down there. Get more elephant bags. More elephant bags.
This is the one right gonna ask him how much
That looks smaller, huh?
Elephant. 100 baht, 100 baht. Elephant, Thailand elephant. 100
แฮมเมดแฮมเมด
And go back and then take pictures of me. Bye.
Where? It's the same as you got.
Big family. This one.
Okay. Inside the line. Like that.
Shopping, white cow, white shop, white bad, rice, traditional, white cow shopping.
Accident.
After carousing through the train market for about an hour, we invited our driver for lunch before heading back to the city for the evening. We departed the area with some cool memories, along with a new hat for Terry. I'll point out here that the hat she bought at the train market was about 150 baht cheaper than that same hat selling at the floating market. During the 1-hour ride back to Bangkok, we just relaxed in the cab and took in the sights until we were back in familiar territory for the evening, where we experienced the best and fastest service ever.
One more.